Hello, I'm Lawrence Chard. Welcome to How to Spot a Fake. Today we're looking at a 1903 American $20 gold double eagle with a San Francisco mint mark. And normally I'd tell you the value of the coin at this stage, but there's a slight complication. The melt value of this coin would normally be about $1,300 at today's prices, and the market value in EF or XF condition would be about $1,600. But the complication is that although the coin itself is very slightly underweight by about 0.16 of a gram, the gold content that we've come up with on our night-on test is far too high. It's showing at about 962 parts per thousand instead of 900 parts per thousand, so it's actually 7% too high. So there's about $100 more gold in this than there would be in a genuine coin. Other interesting points on the night-on test for the metal analysis is there are traces of iron in there, about 1 part per thousand, which is slightly unusual, and there are traces of silver, but that's only about half a part per thousand, and tests on genuine double eagles usually show between about 2 and 4 parts per thousand of silver, so that in itself is slightly odd and a little bit worrying. Let's take a closer look. On first impressions, the fake coin looks the wrong colour. It's too orangey. It also looks slightly fuzzy or unsharp, and when we do take a closer look, we can see why. In common with many fakes, the entire surface of this coin on both sides is quite uneven, being grainy with numerous small pits or blowholes, possibly indicating a cast coin, although it could have been struck but from cast dies. Where there is some wear around here, it will have removed much of the evidence that we're looking for, but everywhere else is the same grainy surface. Possibly the forger subjected the coin to some wear and tear to help disguise it. One detail here, there's what looks like a small edge knock near the top of the fake, and I say what looks like an edge knock, I don't think it is. I think that was probably there when the coin was struck rather than having acquired it later. Obviously that wouldn't be right for a genuine coin. The reverse is even worse. All the lettering looks slightly fuzzy and weak, and it's worse in places, notably around here, and also the S mint mark looks like it's half missing, it's quite weak, which is obviously not a good sign. Another tiny little point is there's a small raised pimple around here, and even though it is only a tiny feature, it's the sort of thing you find on fakes, and it's rare to find that on a genuine coin. The overriding thing about this coin though is not the individual tiny bits that we can easily pick out. It's the whole effect of the surfaces. They've got a strange, slightly matte texture to them that shouldn't be there. And if you look at the genuine coin, you can see the field here is nice and flat and kind of sharp. It hasn't got that pimply matte finish. So we've got two luxuries here. First, we've got the night-on X-ray diffraction machine, which obviously makes life easy for us. But also, we've got another genuine coin of the same date and mint mark. But for most collectors, you don't actually need this. You could literally pull a handful of ordinary coins out of your change and have a look, and look how good they look compared with the fuzzy background of this coin. Our fake looks rather like an out of focus photo. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like and subscribe, and we're very happy for you to leave comments for us below.